introduce yourself. Hi, what's your name and how old are you?
Okay, I am Nursey. I am 29 years old.
Okay. Mercy, what are the advantages of dating an older man?
For dating an older man, the advantage is they're good and then they can understand you and then they don't want argument.
Oh.
Charot.
So if it's Filipino,
Mhm.
how old your age preferences?
My preference in the Filipino is 30, oh, 35, I think, to 40.
Okay. How about if it's foreigner?
It's okay to me if the age of the foreigner is 40 to 60.
60. So how about if you meet 70 years old but he's very nice and kind and very loving and supportive?
Oh, it's okay to me because all I want is the foreigner that can accept me for who I am and then also can accept my son because I already have a son.
Okay, that's very nice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If you're dating a foreigner, what nationality you prefer?
Oh, I must prefer from the US.
US.
Yeah, from US is good and I want it's okay for communicating.
Okay. It's
Uh,
is it black American or white American?
it depends on the situation.
So it depends on the situation. You're not picky.
I'm not
Ah, you're
I'm
not.
not picky.
You're not
It
picky.
depends on that.
Okay, that's nice. Okay. For example, you're dating an older man, let's say late 50s to his 60s.
Mhm.
Okay. Would you care for him until his last breath?
Yes, of course, because I want a man that uh, who'll take care of me also. Who can take care of me also, and if 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 simbakura yung tawon sa may tabo,
If ever.
if ever nga, if they have in his last breath,
Hmm.
mm-hmm, I will take care.
You will take.
Yeah.
Okay. Would you cut his nails, bath him, and massage him?
Yeah. Even her poopsing.
You will wash
Oh
his.
yeah, I will
Yeah, that,
wash his poops also.
yes, that's very nice.
Yeah.
Because
Because when he is still good, he take care of me, and then if that's also, I will take care of back to him.
okay, so does age matter?
No, age doesn't matter for me.
Why? Why is that?
Because age doesn't matter for me. Because if the gods give me a good man, it's okay to me. I will accept that.
Hmm.
Even if he's late as on 60s, like that.
That's nice. So would you hold his hands in public?
Yes, of course, I will.
I'm proud.
I'm proud of that.
Okay. Which one you wanted to date? A
Mm.
handsome man or a man who has great sense of humor?
The man have a great sense of humor.
I know it.
I don't like the handsome man, but it's okay in the handsome man. But if his attitude is not good, I don't want that.
So sense of humor.
Yeah,
is
sense of
different.
humor is my choice.
So even though he looks awful,
Yeah, but it's okay to me.
this
All
is
I want is he's a good man.
wow, that's very nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Sex before marriage or marriage before sex?
It depends on the situation.
It depends on the situation.
It depends on the situation. It's okay to me if marriage before sex and sex before marriage. It's okay.
You want to do the test drive
Yeah.
before you
Test drive first. Charot.
before you purchase the car.
Yeah.
You need to check everything.
Yeah. That's it.
Okay. So
Mm.
would you date a guy who has facial hair or you want it shaved?
I want, I don't want that the guy have a mustache and birds.
Okay.
I want that he shave his beards and his mustache.
Okay, plain face. Okay.
Yeah.
How about the hair? You like it long hair, a short hair, or you want a bald one?
It depends. It's okay to me the long hair. It's okay to me the short hair.
How about
But
the
in the
bald
face, not.
one? Why not?
I don't want that the face have a hair.
Okay, so you don't want bald.
Yeah.
Why not bald? Why? Why it saves you a lot of shampoo.
No, I don't want it. I cannot like that. Charot.
Okay. How about in his arms and legs? You like it shaved or just leave it natural?
Leave it natural.
How about in his private part?
Oh my god.
Would you like it?
You have to shave it.
Why?
It's not good.
Why
It's not shave.
Why? What is the disadvantage of that shaving, guys?
Because I can eat the hair. Please.
Okay. So how about you? If you have a 'cause some girls has mustache, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you have one, would you shave it?
Yeah. Because I don't want it.
How about your armpit? You shave it or natural?
No.
Shave. So your
No,
arm
I didn't shave it, but I will pull it the hair.
pluck. You want to pluck it?
Yeah.
Okay. How about your arms and legs? You shave it.
No, it's natural.
How about in a private region?
Ah, yes, of course, I have.
Why?
It's not good if there's a hair.
Really? Why not?
I will shave that one.
Okay. Do you watch porn?
Not so easy.
Not so, but you did watch.
I watched that last when late high school.
Okay, what genre you been watching? What genre?
The what is this called? 69. 69.
So, what beneficial you think you get from watching porn?
Nothing. Just watch the experience.
Just watch the
Take some
experience.
experience to that.
Is porn is do porn is addictive?
For me, it's not because I didn't watch that. I only watched that if last high school. Right.
Yeah, so you're not addicted to it.
Yeah.
So what do you think so what do you think people learn from watching porn?
Mm-hmm. My God. They can take an experience. Yeah, for that. How to do that one and that one.
Okay. As we heard the word foreigner in our mind, and it's a myth that they have big banana.
Yeah.
You know? So do you think that way also?
Yeah. Yeah. Because I already know that because of my friend also.
Oh, really? So
Yeah.
what size
Because
do you think they got?
uh, it's big. It's really big.
What size?
I don't know. I will not tell the size.
Or rough
It's
estimation.
secret.
Rough estimation.
It's secret.
But it's big.
Yeah, but it's
So,
big.
if you have a foreign boyfriend, that got big
Mhm.
banana, would it bother you?
Nothing bothered me. I will do my best to handle that.
That's so nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't bother.
Yeah.
You will enjoy it.
Yes.
Okay. Would you date a man who always farts in bed?
Hmm. Don't know. I don't think so. I didn't experience that.
So what is the man you really like? and you fall for that, and he's always perfect in bed.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay to me.
How about the part in the public?
No! Not in the public.
What would you do then if you do that?
No, I will not do that. No, bahala siya.
Ay, thank you for being candid to the Candid Filipino. I have very great time with you. Thank
Yes,
you.
ate.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, bye.
Uy, naligaw.